Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, Taqui's Beauty Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my favorite plant print on my face using makeup. So if you're interested in that, watch this video all the way through. If you happen to be interested in any products that I'm probably using, I may put them in the description box, what I remember that I use. So enjoy the video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you come back for more videos like this to come. All you have to do is leave me a few comments and also like this video and let me know that you guys enjoyed this video. Not going to be doing a lot of talking, but it will be another introduction that's coming after this. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I love you, my father. Love you more. Be blessed. Bye. Oh, yeah, guys, and I did make sure that I showed you guys video of this look, okay, from different angles, okay? So, I have really showed you guys this look because I wanted you to know that you can do this with me and actually get it like this. Use the products I use or use something similar to get this look. So yeah, so guys, it's gonna be a lot of face in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Taqui's Beauty Tutorial, here with another makeup tutorial video. Now in this video here, girl, I've been thinking about, just drawing one of my plants on my face or whatnot, because I really, I've been thinking about it, and it's really nice. And I showed you guys my favorite plant, one of my favorite plants that I just got. So I just wanted to put that on my face and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was, self-explanatory. Please do like, share, and comment on the comment section. And I will respond to you. And I appreciate, you that come and watch the video all the way through. And then you finally hear my voice again. Isn't that cool? So yeah. If you want to see more videos like this one, just like, if you're too scared, too shy, just like the video. And that would like tell me that I need to make more like this so you guys to see. I really like I really like, not the definition, but I like the fact that you can really see the detail. Really nice. So guys, also follow me on TikTok, Tyquise5, TYEQUIECE5. And you can also follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna probably put that in the description box, and you can do that. Facebook is really full of, friends from home, and my Facebook page is like family or whatever. I don't really, and people I really, 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 really know. So I kind of keep it there. But I hope y'all like this video. Yeah, I see y'all in my next video. Please do watch all the videos that I have, because I have a lot of videos out there, guys. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and become a family, part of the family. Be a family member, a family member, and see what I got out in store out there. Yeah. Because, I do a little bit of everything in beauty, girl. However, I love makeup. I love me some makeup. But anyway. And I love me some plants, okay? Love plants. Love to be around things that are full of life. Yeah. Because it kind of keeps you balanced. Yeah. So anyway, I'll see y'all in my next video. Please do like, share, and be sure that you comment. You don't know. But if you don't want to comment, just go push that thumb up icon, okay? And also, push the subscribe button. Ring the bell if you really like, my personality and you want to see more videos I do. Bye.